everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today I'm unboxing the Choetech Ultra Slim Zinc Alloy Fast Wireless Charger. It has a 5mm ultra slim design. As you can see here, it's very slim. Super slim in fact. It has a huge coil, so you can put your product pretty much anywhere on here to charge your phone. And I like that they included my logo, 24K Media right there. So that's a nice addition. I want to thank Choetech for doing that. I've been working with them for a couple years, testing out their products and seeing how they work. I like their quality, and I certainly like this ultra slim charger, so this is definitely a good idea for a gift. Anyone that has an iPhone or any phone that has wireless charging. It offers up to 10 watts of power, so that's more wireless charging than pretty much any device can handle right now, so it's a little bit future-proof there, and it shows you can set your iPhone right above it on there, and it will charge. This is a USB type A port, so you plug this into the wall charger that can handle the fast 10-watt charging. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter, and I just showed you the Ultra Slim Zinc Alloy Fast Wireless Charger at 10 watts from Choetech.